This video will talk about how you cancel a book club kit reservation using LibCal. When you created your reservation, it did require an email. So you should have an email confirmation in your inbox. If it's not there, do check your spam folder to see if it's there. But it should clearly state that it's from LibCal, LibCal. When you open that email up, it will give you a link for the cancellation option. And it will, if you scroll down towards the bottom of the email, to cancel this booking, visit, and then there's the link provided. So you can just click on that link, and that link brings you into all the bookings you have made in LibCal for book club kits using that email address. So if you want to cancel all of your bookings, you can click on that link right there. Or maybe if you have a list of reservations, you want to cancel just one of them. In that case, over here on the right, you have the individual cancellations. And so you choose which cancellation option makes the most sense for you. And once you cancel the booking, that's all there is to it. That cancellation has been made, and you will receive an email notification of that cancellation. If you decide that you would like to create a different reservation at the time, there is a quick link back into the LibCal software for making other additional reservations.